It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation that goes beyond luxury SUVs. In this video, we introduce you to the 2026 Brabus 800, based on the Mercedes-AMG G63. From its captivating exterior design to its stunning performance and exquisite interior, the G800 represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design, turning heads and impressing wherever it goes. Under the hood, the V8 engine, enhanced with the Brabus PowerXtra B40S-800 performance kit, produces an astonishing 588 kilowatts or 800 horsepower at 6,200 RPM, at a massive 1,000 Newton-meters of torque at 2,900 RPM. This massive power propels the G800 from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, with an electronically limited top speed of 240 kilometers per hour or 149 miles per hour. This performance is controlled by the AMG Speed Shift Plus 9G Tronic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery. The G800 is also equipped with a valve-controlled exhaust system featuring carbon accents and a rocket launch ambiance light. The exterior design of the Brabus 800 embodies a bold and distinctive character, instantly distinguishing it from its AMG counterpart. While maintaining the car's base Obsidian Black Metallic paint and the AMG Night package, Brabus offers the popular WIDESTAR body kit. This kit includes a front lip, front and rear fenders, door sill corners, and a rear spoiler, all made from lightweight carbon fiber. Additional enhancements such as hood extensions, a front grille, a roof with LED headlights, a rear spoiler, and Brabus mirror caps and door handles enhance its bold and luxurious appearance. The car is also adorned with the brand's comprehensive Brabus package, which includes illuminated logos and masterpiece carbon badges, further emphasizing its rich heritage.